Modern supercars have become faster than ever, but many enthusiasts believe they have lost part of the driving experience that made classic performance cars so memorable. Rezvani Engineering wants to change that with its new Quick Shift system, a unique upgrade that adds the feel of a traditional gated manual shifter while keeping the vehicle's original dual-clutch transmission fully intact. Instead of replacing the factory transmission with a conventional manual gearbox, the Quick Shift uses a precision mechanical shifter that electronically communicates with the existing transmission. Drivers still benefit from the incredibly fast gear changes and automatic rev matching offered by the original drivetrain, but every shift now delivers a satisfying metallic click and a much stronger sense of connection with the car. Rezvani first demonstrated a working prototype in May 2026, introducing a new way for drivers to enjoy modern high-performance vehicles. The company says its goal is to restore the excitement of physically selecting each gear without sacrificing the speed, reliability, or advanced engineering of today's transmission technology. The system is currently available for the Ferrari 458, Ferrari 488, and Ferrari F12. Development is also underway for several additional performance models, including select Lamborghini vehicles and the Chevrolet Corvette C8 ZR1. Another advantage is that the conversion does not require permanent modifications to the factory transmission. The installation is fully reversible while preserving the vehicle's original electronics, engine management, and safety systems. Priced at $25,000, the Rezvani Quick Shift gives owners an opportunity to enjoy a more engaging driving experience without purchasing an ultra-exclusive, multi-million-dollar supercar. For drivers who miss the unmistakable feeling of a true gated shifter, this innovative system offers an exciting blend of classic emotion and modern performance.